In this video, I want to be giving you my Bonchat app review. Is it Bonchat worth it? So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the Bonchat app is a new age social and dating platform designed to help people meet, chat and connect effortlessly, all in one place. It's built for those who want a mix of casual conversations and meaningful connections, offering a smoother and more interactive experience than many traditional chat apps. When you open Bonchat, you're greeted with a simple and modern interface that's easy to navigate. Creating a profile just takes a minute. You can add photos, short bio, and your interests. Once you've set it up, the app suggests matches or people nearby who share similar vibes. You can also start chatting instantly, and what's cool is you don't always need to match first. Bonchat encourages open, friendly communication. The app offers live chat features, video calls, and app gifts, which make interactions feel more unreal and personal. It also includes instant translation, so you can talk to people from other countries without any awkward language barriers, perfect for those who love meeting people globally. Safety is also a strong focus here. So Bonchat includes reporting and blocking tools, and many profiles go through a verification process to reduce fake accounts. It's not a 100% perfect system, but it's better than many similar chatting apps. Of course, there are some downsides. So some users mention that certain premium features like unlimited messages or advanced search filters are behind a paywall. Also, since it's still growing, the user base can feel smaller in some regions, especially compared to giants like Tinder or Bumble. Overall, the Bonchat app is a fun, easy to use platform for people who enjoy chatting, meeting new friends, or exploring casual connections. It's bright, interactive, and beginner friendly with a nice balance between social networking and dating. If you're looking for a relaxed way to meet new people worldwide and spark conversation naturally, Bonchat is definitely worth trying out.